Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hey everyone.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday
And
from Port St. Lucie, Florida.
You can see, I'm going to show you the sky.
Oh,
Yeah, that's for all of our
trees.
Michigan family.
Yeah, don't hate us.
But this week we thought, what can we do our video on? And one of the questions that we get a lot about is, what is the difference between a consigned coach and a coach owned by Marathon? Because you'll see both of them on our website. So we just kind of wanted to fill in some details and give you some idea as to how that works.
Yeah, so a lot of times when someone calls on a coach that's on our website, they'll ask about warranty, they'll ask about the other things. And then with Marathon's inventory being as low as it is right now, a good majority of the coaches on our website are consignments. So we just want to clear up how it's done. Okay, so really the only difference between a Marathon-owned coach and a consignment is the warranty. So of course, the consignment coach is not going to come with a 6-month bumper-to-bumper warranty. But when a consignment comes in, Marathon goes through the coach very thoroughly, does a PDI on it.
Yeah.
So we as salespeople will have a list of exactly whether it's serious or not serious, what needs to be done on the coach. And then either the seller takes care of it or we just leave it for negotiation when the coach sells. So that's no different. We go through the coach, and then when the coach is sold, Marathon will go through it one more time. And then we'll deliver to the coach to you no different than if it was a Marathon-owned coach. We will spend a day, 2 days, whatever it takes to get you familiar with the coach, go through the whole thing, and make sure you're comfortable. Now, every deal is a little different. I don't want to say there could be some deals that happen where things are negotiated different. But in general, when you buy a consignment coach, Marathon treats you no different than if you're buying a coach inventoried by Marathon.
So that's kind of the nuts and bolts involved in a consigned coach versus a Marathon-owned coach. And if you have any questions, just reach out. We'll try and answer them for you. But in the meantime, keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
See you.